Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. In case you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe for updates. Now let's learn about the steroid hormones. So here in steroid hormones, there is a 21 carbon steroids. So here in 21 carbon steroids, it includes the progesterone and it is also the deoxycorticosterone. Then also the aldosterone and the cortisol. So all these are the steroid hormones, 21 carbon steroid hormones, that is progesterone, deoxycortisone, the aldosterone as well as the cortisol. So progesterone, aldosterone, cortisol and the deoxycortisone. Next comes the 19 carbon steroids, and this includes nothing but the androgen. And next, moving on, there is a 18 carbon steroids. 18 carbon steroids, it includes the estrogen. To learn and grow daily like this, please do subscribe.